Hello friends, today I would be sharing with you about Dynamics 365 and would be clearing out your doubts regarding what exactly this application is. So I would like to share with you that Dynamics 365 is a term or an offering offered by Microsoft of its innovative products which fulfills the requirement of an organization in terms of its CRM, ERP, human resources, project operations and supply management. So what exactly happens is initially Microsoft used to market these products separately. They used to sell CRM separately, which is a customer relationship management, or ERP as an enterprise resource solutions, or HR that is for talent, and for other operations they used to sell these products entirely differently to different vendors by different names. So recently what exactly Microsoft did is it clubbed all its products, all its power under the single name that is Dynamics 365. So this particular suite includes all the softwares which could be needed by an organization, from a small organization to a large organization, to meet up its day-to-day requirements in terms of CRM, in terms of ERP, HR, project operations, supply management, etc. Now this product, that is Dynamics 365, the products under Dynamics 365 are offered into two variants, and these days the online version is much popular. So the online version comes is something like a Gmail. You just need to subscribe it, you just need to buy a license of it, and the representative or the teams at Microsoft would be taking care of its everything related to its infrastructure, its maintenance and its support. And your team would be responsible only for managing the customizations and configurations of your product which you have purchased from Microsoft, and the data would be stored in your cloud. Other installation setup of this product Dynamics 365 and its module is an on-premise, in which it would be something like your day-to-day software which you install on your computer. Microsoft would offer you a setup of the application along with certain number of licenses, and your team would be responsible for setting up installation, support, maintenance of the product at their own. So they need to have their servers, they need to have their infrastructure wherein these modules would be installed. Now let's discuss about the modules or the products or the subcategories which are available in Dynamics 365. Like one of the important module is the sales module, the customer service module, the talent, manufacturing, finance and operation, project services, retail, marketing, etc. So let's discuss it. Let's relate it with your real-time example. Let's say you want to buy a car. That car selling company will be having different phases of interaction with you. The day one you would be visiting that company, and their sales team would be generating a lead using your information. So that would be covered under the sales CRM or dynamic CRM. Now once the interaction has happened, there would be certain number of emails would be sent in and out, and everything would be done, and that would be covered into your marketing module. Now the company would be doing, after you have bought the car, there would be something like services which would be offered by the company, then that would be covered under the customer service module. Now let's say you are using the car and that car fails at certain interval of time and you need to have a field service. So for that we have field service module which can be used for it. The company wants to hire new talents or new people in their organization, so that could be done or managed through the talent module of Dynamics 365. So in this way Microsoft has clubbed all its power at one place, and that is under Dynamics 365. This is the one of the screenshots which I have taken from the website of Microsoft, in which the different products have been clubbed together. Let's say customer data platform, sales platform, services, marketing, commerce, project management. So based upon the requirement of an organization, the organization can invest in different licenses being offered by Microsoft under different categories. Now let's take a quick module discussions which are being offered by Microsoft. One is Dynamics 365 Sales. So as shared, like this module is for managing the sales and customer interaction. The other one is the service module. So Dynamics 365 service is being used for offering the services to the customer or managing the services which will be offered to the customers. Then comes the field service module, which includes managing the teams in your fields and services, a smarter solution for all. Then the project service automations. On the same lines, we have Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, Business Central, and Human Resources. So this is a quick, brief summary of what exactly Microsoft Dynamics 365 is. Thank you, friend. Have a great day.